Identifying birds made easy with GU's Nature Guide app. Identify the birds you see using the features habitat, size, and color of plumage. Combine these features as you like. All possible birds will be shown in the results list. Click on each bird and read about it in Bird Portrait. This is where you'll find background information on a bird's abundance, size, diet, breeding, distribution, and typical features. The zoom function enables you to see the details better. You can also listen to all the bird calls. You can save the birds you've identified in your own spotted list. The current date and location are automatically added. In addition, you can save your own pictures and notes here. Add your own items on the birds you've identified. All 100 bird species in the index can also be studied. Besides, you can search for specific birds by entering their names. The info pages offer additional background information about the world of birds. Test your knowledge with the fun bird quiz and match the right bird with the twittering.
Gewonnen, Papa!